Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my new video. It's been a while since I posted last video. As always, I was busy here in the studio, showing up every day and trying to do my best with paintings. Today I want to talk about my latest painting that I did actually yesterday. I started and finished this painting yesterday, and you can see result on the screen right now. This painting is based on photograph of that I took of myself, and I decided to focus on the series of paintings that are based on me. So I don't know exactly how this will work, how long I'm going to follow this series, but this is the painting number one, and actually this painting is just right here behind me. And I'm going to make this painting available on my store today. So for those of you who are watching this video and are collectors, please go and take a close look into the painting itself, on virtually obviously. And if you are interested, you can also make me an offer, and we'll make a deal. I'm open to that as well. If you are rich enough to just buy with the price it is, that's great too. This painting, I titled it On the Make, and I came up with this title when I was going through synonyms of selfish or self-care, all that kinds of words, and that led me to that phrase on the make, and I liked it a lot, or to the point that I decided to use it as a title for this painting, or for a series of paintings that I might do. I'm actually already have almost finished another painting from this new series, so I'm looking forward to share that probably this week around today's Wednesday, probably around Saturday or Sunday. I'm going to prepare a video as well about this painting and post it in the following days. What else I want to say about this painting? It's painted a la prima, which is very fast, wet on wet, and I think that the primary focus is to start with something very representational and then move toward the abstraction. The idea is that if I make series of 20 paintings, the last painting will be very abstract, and almost the figure will almost disappear from the painting or evolve into type of abstraction. So I'm looking forward to see how those paintings will develop, and there'll be a different size, different variation, and that is something that I want to do. That's the plan. I don't know how this will come up. You know, I always have a lot of ideas and a lot of creations happening in the studio, and sometimes I end up not finishing or throwing away the canvas and starting something new. But I have a good feeling about these paintings, and I want to continue make them and focus on that. Other than that, I want to say that I still continue making the series of new paintings less or equal to, and this is one of them, and I have here like, one more, and those paintings come at the price of $60, and 10% goes to one of the organizations that helps people here in the United States. So I think that's a good cause, and if you are interested to support my project and also participate in something bigger than that, please also go and visit the project. I will post the link in the description. So far, I think I made 45 paintings, and I believe 10 or 12 are sold. I have to check, actually, I don't remember. So it's not a big number. I'm looking forward to get some more paintings sold, and that's it, I guess. I don't know what else I can say or update about my studio. Oh, one other thing. I got a new hat, and I feel very Texan right now. And also I have to say that it's very hot and humid in the Texas, and I'm going to finish here before I will sweat myself out of the skin. I don't know. Can I say that, actually? I'll see you in the next one. Bye.